Good morning and namaskar. Today we will discuss about the first Q3 result, Indusind Bank. The Q3 result season has started, and I do hope that majority of the results will be much better than the Q2 results. So I will start with the Indusind Bank results, which have been declared today. Indusind Bank is in the process of merging Bharat Financial Inclusion Limited, a non-bank finance company, with itself. Both the boards have approved the merger. The SEBI has said okay. The National Stock Exchange, etc., have said okay. Uh, Now, accordingly, the new subsidiary has been incorporated, Indusind Financial Inclusion Limited. Indusind Financial Inclusion Limited on August 6th, 2018 as a wholly owned subsidiary of the bank. Now the matter has been given to the National Company Law Tribunal. The respective shareholders have approved, creditors have approved, everybody has approved. Now, petition has been filed with the National Company Law Tribunal to sanction the scheme. So, that is where it stands. Right now, the financial results do not include the Bharat Financial Inclusion Limited's results. Probably after all these processes are complete, it may be merged. Then, in the current results, one NPA has been, one significant NPA has been mentioned. Advances granted to various companies and SPVs belonging to a group in the infrastructure sector. So, infrastructure sector has been having some problems. Some companies are having big problems. So, one such company's group has been sanctioned sufficient loans by Indusind Bank also. Now, so in compliance with the RBI regulations, now that has been declared as a provision has been made for that. So, Indusind Bank is watching the progress of the scheme that is there for revamping that group. And if it is possible to revamp, okay. If it is not possible, it goes to NPS. So, provisions have been made for the purpose. So, this quarter provisions are a little more. Now, let us go through the Q3 results. Interest earned is 5,763 crores against previous quarter 5,438 crores. 5,763 now, 5,438 in the previous quarter, 4,287 year ago Q3. So, year on year there is an improvement of 34.63%. And quarter on quarter also, interest earned has increased 5.98. So, interest earned is quite good. Likewise, total income also, after adding other income, it becomes 7,232 crores current quarter, Q3. Q2 was 6,755 and Q3 last year was 5,474. So, year on year increase in total income is 32.12% and quarter on quarter it is 7.06%. So, earnings have improved reasonably well. We can say very well. Now, interest expended is 3,475 crores, 3,475 crores in the current quarter. Previous quarter 3,235 crores, and year ago quarter 2,392 crores. So the increase is 45%. That is, interest earned has increased 32%, interest expended has gone up 45%, and quarter on quarter 7.242%. So the net interest income, if you see, it has grown by 20.74% year on year and 3.86% quarter on quarter. Expenses have grown 34% year on year and 7% quarter on quarter. That is okay. Almost proportionate to income growth. Now, operational profit, if you look at that, 2,117 crores of rupees in the current quarter, 1,992 crores in previous quarter, 1,665 crores in the year ago quarter, which means 27% year on year growth is there, 6% quarter on quarter growth is there. That is also okay. Now, the provisions only, if you look at that, current quarter provisions are 607 crores compared to 590 crores in the previous quarter and just 236 crores in the year ago quarter. 607 crores now, 236 crores in year ago quarter, which means year on year provisions have increased 157 crores. That's what I told. So, loans granted and SPVs granted for one particular group of companies in the infrastructure sector. Now, provisions have increased 157 crores, 157%. Huge. So, net profit has grown, but growth has come down. Normally, net profit is around 30%, 25 to 30% growth is there for Indusind Bank. Because of the growth of provisions 157%, what has happened is net profit has grown by hardly 5.24% year on year to 985 crores in the current quarter compared to 936 crores in the year ago quarter. So, net profit has grown 5% year on year and 7% quarter on quarter. Equity approximately same. The capital adequacy ratio 14.19% compared to 14.28% in the previous quarter and 15.83% in the year ago quarter. It's okay. 14.19% is quite good, though it is slightly less compared to the year ago quarter and previous quarter. Still, it is quite healthy. Diluted EPS is 16.26 compared to 15.17 in the previous quarter and 15.47 in the year ago quarter. There is a growth of 5% year on year and 7% quarter on quarter. See, it has come down year on year. Normally, the growth is around 25 to 30%. Now it is only hardly 5%, which is because of the provisions. The gross NPAs have come down by 2.59%, but net NPA has increased by 28%. We have seen why it is like that. One particular group of companies have been put under NPAs. Return on assets is also down 17%. That is 1.62% current quarter, 1.96% year ago quarter. So there is a reduction from 1.96 to 1.62. Now this does not matter. Still the return on assets is reasonably good. Current market price is 1,588 rupees. But if you look at the 52-week low, it is 1,334 compared to the current price of 1,588. Now 1,588. 52-week low is 1,334. 52-week high is 2,038. So, will it again reach 2,038? Normally, Indusind Bank does not have much of NPS. So, the current quarter has got NPS. Last quarter it had some NPS. But normally it doesn't have much NPS. So, if next quarter it doesn't have NPS, the chapter is closed. and again it will be back to its old 25 to 30% net profit level. So price earning at present is 24. It is okay. Still not good. Current price already it has come down quite a lot. 1588. It is more near to 52-week low of 1300 odd than to the high of 2000 and odd. Volumes are good. Indusind Bank is a well managed bank. Let me tell you. It very carefully selects its debtors. Therefore, you can generally, I personally believe Indusind Bank as one of the best banks in the private sector. It's growing fast. Of course, in the current scenario, bad debts are bound to be there, especially if you give loans to certain sectors. Unless the government supports them well, it's very difficult. So, in the infrastructure sector, some companies are going bad. They may come out if they get government orders again. So it is like that. So Indusind Bank performance is reasonable, but not very good. The one-time loan has spoiled the current quarter result, but it is expected to come back to its normal self. So it's one of the good banks. You cannot write it down because of one quarter result. So it is one-off affair. Thank you for listening. I'll be back with you with a good result. Result season has started. Lots of results will be pouring in from now onwards. I will cover only significant. Indusind also is a good result only. It has come down drastically because of that one NPA provision. Thanks for listening. I will be back with you very soon. Thank you.